Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to fix Grindr app ban problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with the Grindr app here, let's just say you're getting the banned notification. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store app here, and you want to go and search for Grindr. Now, once you do see Grindr in here, you want to go ahead and basically update the app. Now, sometimes the app may not be fully updated, so updating it can actually resolve this issue. So once the app is updated, go ahead and close the app fully first, open it up again, and see if that helps. Now, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to access your settings. So in some cases, you may want to clear some cache inside the app. So in this case, you want to go ahead open up the or look for the app itself, and you want to go ahead and select the following option. So it's going to be let's go and press and hold on the Grindr app. Click on the eye icon that actually pops up in here. And once the app is actually fully open, you want to go and click on Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Clear Cache and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, click on Force Stop at the bottom left of your screen. Click on OK. Exit the page here, open up Grindr again, and see if that actually helps. Now, if this doesn't help and in this case, your account has really been banned, well, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to contact support. So in this case, go and open up any browser here and basically search for the following. It's going to be Grindr, submit a request. Now go and open up the first link that you are going to see in here. Now from here you have the how can we help page. Go and choose the I need help managing my account and provide the necessary details. Like for example, your email address that you use on your Grindr account and also the subject. So in this case, you could just say here, need assistance on unbanning my account, and you want to go and just choose what do you need help with. So in this case, I would recommend you to use one of the following. You could go and just choose the something else option here and provide the necessary details. Now, if you know your profile ID, go and provide that, your location, so where you're currently using the app, and also describe what actually exactly happened here. Like maybe describe when the problem started and what happened here, maybe explain your current situation. But in this case, once you fill out all the information here, click on submit, and you should be good, and they will reach out to you if they can actually help you on banning your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.